long time since I've been here. I moved to a city I've never been to before.
The ruler has arrived.
If you're wondering what city that is, I'm never going to tell you. So you can go away now. I moved to Toronto. I was gonna move to Edmonton a while back, but Toronto seemed to have better options. I will be going to Edmonton at some point though, cause I got my really cute girlfriend out there. No, she's not actually like my girlfriend, but she's my girlfriend. There's still love there, okay? So we're in Dundon. Ooh, these big billboards. We got Colonel Sanders up in here. It's really pretty here. It was cold on the other side where we went. We went on an adventure, and I went to a shoe store. I found really epic boots that I'll show you guys at some point, because I'm eventually going to get them. I have to get them at some point. They're calling for me. I think that's my friend right there. Oh, a sparkly disco stick. You want some more sparkly disco sticks? There's another sparkly disco stick. There's another one. Can't get enough with sparkly disco sticks. They go for days. There's many sparkly disco sticks. Oh, there's another one.
I'll show you.
Just can't get enough of it. And, oh, Dundon. Gotta be fancy.
For they were created out of vengeance to destroy man.
Was pretty chill. It was about like 6 hours from British Columbia. There was a layover, and then I had another layover because I guess they were switching out planes or the weather was really bad. It was one of the other massive explosions, you know, just everyday occurrences. Explosions always happen when I enter the room, you know, that's what's up. Narcissism, YouTuber life. I'm a YouTuber, right? I think I'm a YouTuber. Maybe. Another really bad one. There's gonna be some more things going on in the next few days, so stay tuned in my next video where I'll let you know on a secret last minute surprise. I wanted to actually get some merchandise in the last minute because I've been working on that. But sadly, my graphic tablet, I left my pen at home in a disaster zone because I was packing like a madwoman at the last minute. Because procrastination, you know, is just everybody's friend. Not really. Especially if you have anxiety. I need some mango juice. Oh.
Yeah, come.
I had pho earlier for the first time. Well, actually last night, but thirsty as hell. Got some mango juice on hand. What's your favorite juice? Comment in the comment section down below. If you have anything else to add to any of the thoughts that I set up in here, feel open to leaving your thoughts in the comment section too. I love your guys' feedback. Stay awesome as all hell as everybody should be. And I will see you in my next video.